What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today is week 10 of the $100 a week investing challenge on the Robinhood app. And today we're going to go over all the moves we made because the market made a big move. Let's get into it. Before we get in the video, there's going to be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock. It's all good. And you stand a chance to get an Apple, Berkshire Hathaway, Facebook, GE, Ford, and many more. But the best thing is, it's free. You don't pay anything to trade stocks on the Robinhood app. Options are also included. Please use that link to sign up. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you. All right, here we are on the homepage of the web platform of Robinhood. This is going to be the what's in my portfolio for August. And as you know, there was some big drama with the trade war. The market dropped almost 1,000 points one day, recovered a little bit to I think 760 that day. And it's been down as far as 589, almost 600, but was able to pull back. So it looks like the market is taking in this negative trade talk and it's starting to move back up. But we were able to get out of our TVIX position with over 20% gained, and we got into a new position. We had three options that we got out of just because it looked like it was going to be horrible. There was no telling how far it was going to go down. We had to save some of that money. And here's a tip on options. If your option goes down 50% of what you put into that option, it's time to bounce. Go ahead, get out of it, cut your losses. I learned the hard way on that. Let's put it that way. We also got into a new position, and that's the one we're going to jump into first. AMD, ticker symbol AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. We were able to get in at an average cost of $28.36. And right now we're sitting up over 19% in this position. We haven't been in it that long. We took advantage of that dip, got out of TVX, opened this position. As you can see, just today, they're up almost 16%. And they were up higher, over 17% at one point. There was some good news that came out with AMD, and I'm going to do a closer look video to talk about the news and where AMD is headed. I don't want to speak too much on it, but AMD is gaining more market share when it comes to CPU processors. And we're going to move on from here. The next one we're going to look at is ticker symbol NRZ. We added 7 shares to this position. And I'll go ahead and click on it. We'll take a look. We're in at an average cost of $15.28. We're barely up. Today we're up 1.5%. But as far as for the total return, we're basically flat. We're right at pretty much where our average cost is. But NRZ is a REIT, a real estate investment trust that pays a mighty nice dividend yield of 14.07. You don't see that too often at all. But the thing about REITs is they have to give up 90% of the money that they generate to their shareholders. So with REITs, you can make some nice dividends, nice dividend returns. And this is one that pays a lot, and it is a good REIT to be in. It's not gonna go too far up, too far down. It's gonna stay around the same price. We can look at the year. It is down, but there's some top analysts that are saying that if you're gonna be in a REIT, this is one to be in. And I plan to add more and more to this position. Moving on. The next position in the portfolio is going to be Vici Properties. Their ticker symbol VICI. This is one that we've been in for a while now. And in this craziness with the market, when we got our TVX, we did add 2 more shares of Vici. We're currently down 4.5% on this position, but I believe Vici is going to trend up. Basically, Vici is an experimental REIT when it comes to the properties they own. All their properties are related to resorts, gambling, golf courses, all that. This is an experimental REIT that I think could definitely make you some money. On top of the stock price rising, they do offer a 5.31 dividend yield, which is pretty nice. Not as good as NRZ, but it's nice. They're paying you to own their stock. The next position is going to be Run. Ticker symbol RUN for Sunrun, solar panels. We're going to click in it and look at it. Actually, we're barely up on this by like 1%. We didn't add any more to this position because at the time when I had the money, we were up significantly. I want to say like 15%. Sunrun had earnings, I believe, yesterday. They weren't what the analysts expected, so they dipped. We could check out this 1 week chart. They were sitting up here over 20. Earnings came out and they slammed down. So, but I'm not concerned. I will next week. If this stock is still down, I plan to add more. This is going to be a permanent position in the portfolio just because I believe in their business model. I believe where they're heading. And this is a stock that I'm definitely going to be in for the long term. All right, we're back on the homepage. And that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Like the videos and hit the bell for future notifications. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.